Okay guys, how you guys doing? So you're welcome to another video, to another tutorial. So today we're going to be doing conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, yeah. So conditional formatting is in Excel. It's just for easily to is used to easily spot trends and pattern in your data using bars or colors or icons. So it's usually used to highlight important values. If you have large data sets, so you need to spot some trends and stuff like that. So you need something to help you to do that. So that's what. So control 6. So we're still using this data sets. So for us to let me do this and just maybe I should just repeat control C, so it will be like a little bit long, just to make it like a little bit long, so the visuals can make a lot of sense. So that the visuals can make a lot of sense. If it's too short, you might not like get the gist, so I just make it a bit long. So when you want to spot a trend in the data set, that's when you use conditional formatting. So we have different types. We have the icon set, we have the color set. Let me show you guys here. So we have the icon sets, we have the color, we have the data bars, we have the top columns, and we have the highlight cells. So this one is just to see these highlight cells is to see if a value has a duplicate or not, or it contains text, or see like this now, duplicate values. So maybe it has duplicated, but let's just see now to see if there is something that is duplicated in this one, and if the text that contains this text that contains maybe this thing contains text like letters. So let's see, let's start from somewhere. Conditional formatting. So highlights, you don't really like all of this. You can just open it and just see how it works. Let's see these duplicate values first. Duplicate light red fill with dark red text. So it's to highlight those ones that are duplicated. You can see that majority of our text, all our texts are duplicated. That's why it's showing like this. So that's why it's showing like this. If I put like 8, 9, 10 here, so let's now do it again. Now let me remove clear rules. Now let's do it again, then you see what that is, duplicate. You can see that it's only highlighted the ones that are duplicated. You can see now, so it's showing all the ones that are duplicated. You can see it's showing the ones that are duplicated. Those ones is the ones that it was highlighted because they are duplicated. So that is that one about delete, about when you want to use, if you want to know if something is duplicated, if a cell is duplicated, if some figures are duplicated or anything. So that's what you use. So let's see this data bars. You can see what it is. It's just to spot the trend, to see how it's doing and everything, how our data set, what our the sales, majorly it's used for sales and stuff. So if you want to know where the most sales is happening, what sales, what product is selling fast, or how many quantity is being sold, the highest sales we are making, stuff like that, you can see this is just color. So this is just color. See how it's making a lot of sense. So it's making a lot of sense. So that's just about conditional formatting, clear rules. So let's try this color scale. It's almost the same thing. You can see this one is just a full color. See, this one is just full color, but it will be different colors representing different range. You can see this one is representing 5 as white, red as blue. You can actually like edit it to what you want, how you want it to display, anything. So the highest value is giving us this light color, the lowest value is giving us this color. So if you want the lowest value to be giving us red and the highest value should be giving us green. So okay, you can see, yeah, that's just it. You can see what is it. So it's very, you see how it's very colorful. That's how you can play with your colors and everything like that. So if you see red, you know it's danger, like there's something wrong. So if you see green, then you know how everything is all right. So you can use more brighter colors if green is too chill. Is this where we did that? Yeah, it's the one. So it's the one. So if the color is too chill, maybe you use yellow, then use red for it to be more brighter. Yeah, I think this is making a lot of sense. Yeah, you can see. So that's just a spot trend. When you see yellow, you already know, oh, it's doing well. If you see red is just a signal of warning, like we're not making sales at all, 3 is too low and stuff like that. So that's what conditional formatting does. It's just to highlight trends and all of that. So let's see this icon. Let's remove this first, don't forget to do that. Then let's see this icon. You can see this icon has, this is like mostly used trend rules. So you can see what's different types. So let's see more rules. Let's see what's value 6733. So when the value is green, that's the highest if it's green. When it's below 67, when it's below 67 is yellow. When it's below 33 is red, which is actually making sense. Yeah, it's actually cool. Icon sets, we have different ones here again. This one to make a lot of sense. Like you can play around them. This is in number, this is in, let's change to number. If we change to number, so when it is when when it is greater than, let's just work, if it is greater than 5, yeah, greater than, so if it is less than 5, it will be giving us pink. This one 4, and this one 3. So if it is greater than 5, it will be giving us red. Let's see. You can see that if it is greater than 5, it will be giving us red. See, 5 and above is giving us red. Anywhere you see red, you will only see red in 5, 6, 7. So the rest will give you, the 3 will give you something light. 3 will give you something light. If it's now 2, it will give you black, but we don't have 2. So if it's below 3, it will give you black. If it's below 4, it will give you this light shade. If it's 4, it will give you this pink shade. You can just play around with the colors. Like, conditional formatting is very, very sweet. It's very sweet because it's just colors and just to represent some things. Let's clear it. It's just to look at different things. Let's see these highlights. Okay, we've done these highlights here. Let's see this top. To see, let's see top. You can see this one now. So format cells. If you want to rank, this top bottom is to rank them. So the highest one is 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So you're using 10 to rank. If you're using 8, still giving us that. If you're using 5, it will pick anything above 5. So that's just that. So if you're doing bottom, less, duplicate value, we've done that. Text that contain, highlight text that contain 5. You can see that. Highlight text that contain 7. So if you just want to highlight some things in your data sets, that's when you use your conditional formatting. If you want to use this particular one, so let's try it on types of cars. Conditional formatting, highlight text that contain, we just want to highlight Honda. You see, you just put H, it will highlight anyone that has H. If you just put O, to highlight all the words, the text that has O. Input P, it you can see types of car, there's P in it. So we want Benz. So don't let us use red, let's use green. So we just highlighted only Benz. See how it's making a lot of sense. Now we want to do another one, conditional formatting. Text that contain BMW. We don't want red, we want to color it. No, light red, yellow. You can see how it's making sense. So you want to do another one like that. So it's just about playing with a lot of things. Hyundai, you can use red. You can see how it's making sense. So it's looking good. Let's do for Honda and Toyota and see what we're doing here. Honda, this one is just red border, light red fill, or red text, custom more photo. Let's look for more. They don't have different colors like that. We use yellow, red. Those are the most colored. This thing, light red field. It's almost the same thing. It's just in. So Toyota, we can leave it like that. So you see how it's making it look like. You can just play with it. You can see how it's looking. This is the work of conditional formatting. Let's see what we can do to our this one. It's just to make your wow, this is looking good. This is actually looking good. I love it. This is also good. This is so good. This is good also. This is good. They're actually looking so chilled and so cool. Just need more cool color like that. I think this is nice. Let's do this. Then this. We're just trying to play with all the rules. Just to we've used this. Oh, okay, we use this. Let's say icon. We're just trying to play with all the rules to see how it works. Yeah, this is good. You can see how it's looking. Let's change our font, heading color, fill. Let's use black. Text color can be red or blue or yellow. Let's use this blue. Make it big. Yeah. You can actually text wrap, yeah. Wrap the text so it can be like this. Yeah. The black is not looking good. This is actually cool. This something like blue is making a lot of sense. Let's leave it like this. So it's just to play with the colors. Conditional formatting is just about colors and highlighting trends, icons with anything. So this is just about conditional formatting. So just to highlight trends and all of that. So this is it. See how this is looking beautiful now. I confirm to like compare with the other plain data set. So your data set is looking so good. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.